It's way too early in the morning. We have bags. He has bags. Everything did fit in his bags. Look at him. He looks happy. And now we Shinkansen that way with a taxi. And we are here with our luggage. Trains are apparently running slightly slow, whatever that means. I don't think they do that here. We must find a bento, maybe some Starbucks, and then go to Shinagawa. And the Kodama over there is delayed, but our Hikari 638 is not. There's also been lots of assorted beeps on the platform. Andrew has stated as such. We don't really know what they are. They're coming from everywhere. Not sure if the beeps are a feature, if they're a good thing, bad thing.
Bad thing.
They're everywhere. Don't know what they're for, but they're there.
Yes, indeed.
Indeed they are. Hello, sir. Goodbye.
This thing's not coming up.
These go very far back. This is the... Oh god, it's not going up.
Yeah, no,
1 second.
You have to give it time.
This is the new N700S. It's quite happy.
It's very good.
It's got a new reader board up there too that's different. And off to Tokyo we go. Shinkansen meal, we have a tasty... Oh, this looks very good bento. With some, is this pork or what?
Pork, yes.
With some pork katsu of some kind. I've actually just noticed it's actually snowing outside as we're going on the Shinkansen to Tokyo. It's kind of beautiful and amazing. God, it really is so fucking pretty out right now. Sun peeking through the clouds. Snow covered everything. It's the white Christmas I never got and always wanted. Even, oh, there's a little temple there. Just blew past. Another one. The Shinkansens are running at a reduced speed because of snow, but oh, it's just so pretty. And even better, I get to do some editing on the train. We're getting progressively closer to Tokyo. And yeah, it should be quite good. It looks like we're running about 20 minutes delayed because of the snow earlier, but I'd say well worth it for the views. And here we are in Shinagawa. You can see through the thing going through the stations. I love it. And a couple minute ride later, we're off the Yamanote line at the station for Airbnb. Look at that. Super easy transfer from the Shinkansen, easier transfer off the train to the exit. Through the ticket gates he goes. Look at that. And a very nice station this is. Big and clean and many, well, just like every other station. The Victorian Rosencrown pub. Oh, it's closed right now. We'll have to come back. Come back tonight. And unfortunately, we're being a bit atrociously loud with the suitcases because almost everything here has some kind of texture. And off to our right is the NEC or NEC or however you say it, Super Tower. It is quite a tower. Almost at the Airbnb. Very cozy. It barely fits both of us. And now we're here. There's a view. Oh god, there's... Okay. Oh. Bouncy.
What is that? No.
Is that a GoPro?
He's got the small rig GoPro.
It's a little
thing.
tiny thing. No, it's the DJI one. Look at that.
It's
very light. I use the stairs.
No, they hit every floor.
Oh god, that's...
They ran out.
Oh my god.
You absolute
Fucks. We go train. Big surprise. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. He knows. He knows. He looks confused and scared.
No, what are you doing?
He's scared. He's real scared. Oh no. Bye. Sam needed a belt. Sam now has a belt. Oh?
That's a big belt.
That's a big belt.
Adult who didn't bring a belt, so we swung by.
Hey, Sam.
Oh, he needs that one.
I don't like the implication. I think.
No, I think that's what you need, Sam.
Do the thing. Hey, Sam. Yeah. No.
Look, this one's high quality with the grommets.
No.
This one's like on an angle, dude.
I'm gonna flee now. I want the Western Polo, Texas. Look at that. This is not Ralph Lauren, it's Western Polo, Texas. Your belt,
It
Sam.
was 110 yen.
Wow.
So even cheaper than the Mark price.
That's crazy.
That's very affordable. I'm glad you have a belt now.
Thank you. I wanna
This
be
is
real,
good.
real sturdy.
Real sturdy. Oh, look at that.
Look at that thread.
Oh, this is a high quality belt.
I think it really
Are you going to see this on your OnlyFans next?
You know what? You might just have to check out at OnlySams.
OnlySams.com. Wow. I need the belt review.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're sturdy.
Oh, look at this.
What is this? I just turned my head and I just see it filming this.
There we go. We had to see if Sam's belt worked, and it works. Look at him. He's happy.
Oh, look at you.
It's a sturdy boy.
1,000 choices.
They're struggling. Sam's struggling. Everyone's struggling.
Heated pot thing.
Yeah, you should get it. They're quite good.
But what is it?
It's
What
beef
is
suyaki pot.
What is that?
That looks a little.
Playboy.
Oh no.
Playboy in Japan.
What are you getting for snacks, Luke?
Get one egg.
One egg.
In a tiny carton. So cute.
Oh my god, does it come with a little sauce packet?
It does. so lovely.
It is very lovely. Oh, I don't know about that.
What even is it?
It's it's that.
Oh, I don't know about that.
I don't know about that.
Says it's pickled plum.
Ah. Oh, nigiri. Mmm. Just want to do a video just going through Family Mart.
They have more mini ham.
Ooh.
Is this bacon?
I think pig
Pig
ear
ear?
with mustard.
Oh,
I don't know
like
about that. You want smoked pork tongue slices. I think you can see the tongular nature of it.
Don't like that.
Strawberry.
What is this?
Oh, it's crepe. Wait.
It's a little
Is it
creamy crepe. It is a crepe.
Oh, it is a crepe.
Oh, that looks really good.
That looks like crack.
It's a chocolate crepe.
Are you getting creamy crepe?
Yummy.
There's a wiener. I don't know about wiener. Ham and cheese, maybe. Hey, do you want a wiener, sir?
I will have a wiener, gladly.
You will have a wiener.
I don't really want this.
No, you put the wiener back. There's Califern wine of California with
California.
a map of the U.S. that seems sort of poorly done. Good.
Would you like Califern? You're from
Califern.
Califern, so you should like this.
I do not want Califern. Would you like a Piccolo Rosso in a juice box?
Piccolo Rosso. Piccolo Bianco.
Oh. Want juice box wine?
Pizza ristorante, muy bien. That's Spanish.
Muy bien, yes. Family Mart rations have been acquired. How long will it be out? I do not know.
Not thinking.
Everyone is very confused. This is very good.
The reactions, just film them, not me.
And official reveal in 3, 2.
You guys confused? Are you confused?
Yamaha Marine Club? Are we going out on a boat?
Are you confused?
I don't understand. What have you gotten us into?
A surprise.
I saw what looks like a tide chart.
Luke is very concerned, but we know.
The reactions are honestly, they're worth all the money.
They're worth all.
So we're definitely going on a boat. Are we just sailing? I feel like because wait, they said there's part 2. Yeah, what is part? Are we sailing to like a secret island or something?
Very lost and confused. They're concerned.
Are we not getting on a boat?
I don't know.
No comment.
Okay.
Well,
They're detectiving.
but this we're definitely getting on a
Dude, I look
boat.
like Casper the Ghost when I stand right here.
Oh my god, I've never seen someone so white.
You're in the boat.
I'm in boat. Okay,
I'm in
so
the galley.
guys, I'm starting to think we might be going on a boat ride.
Wait a minute.
I think I'm starting to figure this out.
This isn't land?
Cabin boy, I'll have a bacon sandwich, please.
Chop chop.
Choppy choppy.
Y'all are so heavy that
Okay,
that would have launched
do that.
out.
Want to like maybe close the door?
Yeah,
Launched out
no.
to the harbor, I would have fucking lost it. Just half a loaf of milk bread.
Evacuate Noah's bread.
I think you-
Storm and cross check.
No, you have the
there's a
other half
middle
door.
There's a mini
No,
door.
there's the mini door.
What?
To the
The
left.
other door. Yeah, there you go. You have that door.
Yep.
Ah, you figured out the doors.
Oh, it's
The boat is boating. Oh, look at that. Little boat infrastructure over there. We're on the boat.
Literally
Boat
on
we're
top
on
of
the boat. Literally on the boat.
Guys, we're literally on a boat right now.
Tokyo Tower's there. Massive parks there. Oh god, the boat moves.
Where are you going? I'm looking at the
Sam's being Sam. Oh god, everyone's coming to the front of the boat. Oh dear. That's fair. Bathroom tour time with Luke Miani.
I will now fit into this tiny bathroom. Observe. Observe.
I explored Japan's tiniest bathroom.
That's basically what that is. What more do you need? Bye. I like the little porthole. Don't bother me, I'm pooping.
There might be a control for the bathroom light. The stunning revel. Oh! Oh!
Is that a vent fan?
No.
Oh, you have a
There's
light!
vent,
And a vent!
so the poop fumes can get sucked out. This is excellent. I like this boat. This is a great boat. I could live here.
And here we are on the boat.
Yeah.
Fuck me, it's pretty. Oh my god, the bridge! It is! It's amazing! Absolutely amazing. Hey there! And the airport's just right over there.
Oh, that was a good one.
That was a good one. Yeah, big ol' airplane friends just right there.
Quiet.
It's the landing. Hey buddy, hope you have a good flight. Right at the very tippy tip of the runway. Stuff coming to land, stuff taxiing. And then there's this amazing view of the airport in Mount Fuji all the way off over there. All the planes, it's fucking crazy. And beautiful.
Quick bathroom break. His face is not the size of the door.
Don't know if it really fits in there.
I have the right to go and see the door. Ah, it's everywhere.
Inside with bread intact. And we're all here. Say there,
The
buddy.
boat was great. It's nice to be on stable land again.
Oh, look at this ramen. Screen printed scene.
This is like a substantial.
Meat.
Well, what kind? Where does it?
Pork. Usually a tonkatsu, I think, or something like that. Looks very. There is train. We go train now. It's not that cold. It's not that warm. It's not that cold. Hello, train.